Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 14-inch 2023. The chip is M3 Pro. The RAM is 18 gigabyte, and the storage is 512 gigabyte. You can see the cycle count 7 times, and the battery capacity is 100%. The GPU you can see 14 cores. The the CPU you can see 11 cores. This is a beautiful silver color. This condition is very good. You can see the keyboard backlight. No problem. The cycle count only 7 times. Only 7 times. Okay. The trackpad function, no problem. No problem. And you can see the top cover, no scratches. No scratches. Yes. And let me show you the back. You can see the back also here's a little bit dirty, not scratches. Not scratches. Okay. I like this silver color. It's very beautiful. And you can see the charging port is very beautiful. The charging port. Let me show you. No problem. No problem. And let me show you the display. I changed the wallpaper. Okay, you can see no bright spots and no dark spots. Okay, this is the beautiful display. And let me change another color. The red color. Also no problem. And let me show you the specs one more time. This is the M3 Pro, 18 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte. And let me show you the price. Also, you can check out this machine on my website. This is the price, Chinese yuan, 8,500, and this is US dollars. And this is Hong Kong dollars. This is Europe. And if you want to know more detail, you can check out my website. Okay. It's beautiful machine. Okay. It's a beautiful machine. Okay. We have a lot of the other different models. This is M1 Max. And this one is M4 Max 36 and 1 terabyte. Okay. Okay, I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, you can subscribe my channel. Okay.